Today, we heard the final round of testimony in the double murder trial of Alex Murdaugh.
Former attorney is charged with shooting and killing both his wife and their youngest son. Austin Westfall is in Walterboro, South Carolina, where the prosecution called 6 witnesses today. So, Austin, give us an idea of who were those witnesses.
So, Brian, Hannah, mostly what we saw today was the prosecution bringing witnesses back that we've already heard from. They were refuting some of what we heard from the witnesses that the defense brought on in the past week or so. Take a look at some of the people that we heard from today. This is the main disagreement we heard from testimony during pathologist Ellen Reamer's speech today. She performed the autopsy on Paul and Maggie Murdaugh and challenged testimony from a crime scene analyst hired by the defense. Yesterday, the defense's analyst said that Paul was likely shot in the back of his head at point-blank range. However, Dr. Reamer disagrees. She says that he was instead shot on the other side of his head, likely closer to the neck and shoulder.
I understand that people can look at pictures. That's like a two-dimensional view, but doing the autopsy makes certain information available to the pathologist that is not available to an individual not performing the autopsy. And I had that information in my report, which was not, which was, I guess, overlooked.
Overlooked by the defense pathologist.
Yes.
Now, the prosecution spent most of the day calling witnesses describing much of what we've already known about the case. They placed a lot of importance on the gunshot trajectory testimony. We also heard about lies related to financial crimes that Murdaugh has now admitted to in front of the jury. Tomorrow, the jury will be visiting the scene of the crime. They're going to be there for the first half of the day, after which the judge and the jury will be heading back from the crime scene. They're going to head back into court, at which point we expect closing arguments to start taking place. We could get a verdict at some point later this week or early next week.